Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply your promo code on your Tinder application. To apply your Tinder promo code, firstly open your Google search. Type in tinder.com and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link displayed on the screen. It will take you to the official page of Tinder. Now scroll all the way down to the FAQ section. Tap on promo code option under the FAQ section. Enter your promo code for Tinder and then click on Submit. By clicking on Submit, you will agree to Tinder's terms and conditions. This is how you can apply Tinder promo code quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Thank you so much for watching.